Hi, I'm Nori. Let's learn some useful travel words together. Airport. This is an airport. Airport. An airport is where we go to catch a flight. Passport. This is passport. 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 I show my passport when I travel to another country. Security check. This is the security check. Security check. At the security check, my bags are checked before my flight. Luggage. My bags and suitcases are called luggage. Luggage is the bags and suitcases I take on my journey. Check-in counter. This is the check-in counter. Check-in counter. At the check-in counter, I check in for my flight and give them my luggage. Boarding pass. This is my boarding pass. Boarding pass. I show my boarding pass before I get on the airplane. Immigration. This is immigration. Immigration. At immigration, an office stamps my passport before I continue my journey. Help desk. I can ask for help here. Help desk. Excuse me, can you help me find my gate? Boarding gate! This is my boarding gate. Boarding gate! I wait at the boarding gate before I get on the airplane. Excuse me, where is the bathroom? Bathroom! That sign shows me where the bathroom is. Bathroom! Departure! The flight is ready for departure! Departure means it's time to leave. Arrival! This is the arrivals area. Arrival. Arrival means I've reached my destination. Taxi! Taxi! I can take a taxi to my destination. Taxi! The taxi will take me where I need to go. Hotel! This is a hotel. A hotel is a place where travelers can stay. Reservation. I have a hotel reservation. Reservation. My reservation means my room has already been booked. Restaurant. This is a restaurant. Restaurant. At a restaurant, I can sit down and order something that I would like to eat. Passport. Boarding pass. Airport. Hotel. Reservation. Security check. Luggage. Check-in counter. Immigration. Boarding gate. Arrival. Departure. Taxi. Restaurant. Bathroom. Help desk. I know my travel words. Great job! Now you know some useful travel words. See you on our next adventure. Bye!
If you liked the video, please like, share, and subscribe. Hit the bell icon.